check out this video. So he is opening a Moet Chandon 2023 with a portong. So what is a portong? Portong is this instrument that is used more commonly to open very old wine bottles where the cork is deteriorated and you cannot pull it with any instrument without breaking it. And in these cases you can use this portong to heat up the neck of the bottle, and then by cooling it down very fast the neck breaks. It creates a very clear-cut breakage and you can remove the whole neck without bothering with the cork. But in the comment section of this video everybody is angry. Why is he doing it with a Moet Chandon, a new champagne which has a very healthy cork? He could have just popped the bottle simply, and it wasn't necessary for the portong to be used. Well, yes, but isn't this more fun? I don't know, people are trying to gatekeep the whole wine industry and want to show their knowledge. I'm sure that lots of these people who comment in the comment section that this is not the proper way to use the portong are just trying to show that they know what the portong is. But realistically, do we want the wine industry to grow and bring more people to show how interesting it is and to have fun? Or are we trying to be pretentious and follow the rules and don't do any fun things? Obviously, it wasn't necessary, but I'm sure that for the people that are there for this wine tasting and enjoying this event, this was a lot more fun to see than just pulling the cork normally. It doesn't do any harm, but it increases the engagement. And an exhibit for my reasoning that this is for fun and people enjoy it is the actual views on this video. It got millions of views. Why? Because it's interesting and people enjoy looking at it. So yeah, open any bottle with a portong if you want. Have fun.